Okay, so what we're going to do is we're very quickly going to introduce two projects, one of them being an e-guard book. Now, Harry was talking about starting this company with 12,000 rupees, and there was really nothing. It was just 1.5 people, if I'm not mistaken. I've heard that story very often.
You have?
Yeah, I have.
The newcomers hadn't.
Okay, so just 1.5 people, 12,000 rupees, and nothing else, just a lot of guts and gumption. And from there to here, it's been a long journey. But it's easy to say all this, and it's very tough to actually know what's gone down in these years. So what we've done is, you remember in the earlier days, perhaps all the advertising guys would remember, you'd have this heavy guard book that you'd lug around from one room to another with tons of clippings. And with all the coverage we've received, it's become some 10 different guard books. And we realized we didn't have the strength to carry it all over the place. So what we've done is we've created an e-guard book which captures the media coverage that the group has achieved over the past 29 years in an e-version. This has also been uploaded on the brand new website that got launched today. It carries tons and tons, GB of data, some of the oldest stories where you won't even recognize the brothers if you see some of the shots. There are stories that are as old. Can you recognize that's Harry with full black hair? And Shalanda looking very different. And stories that go back when it was just all about guts and gumption. I mean, it's just reading those are fascinating. Then we come, of course, into the recent past 6 years that most of us would remember a lot more when the IP business started building up. So just getting a reading of this, the brothers together talking about IP, Sunburn being born, the entire journey. And what's most fascinating is most of the time you have to go to YouTube and pick out certain videos. Now, in this guard book, you've got all the key videos, interviews that have been recorded of the group. Just click and you can link onto YouTube, you can download, you can mail
But
this.
Sangeeta, hang on. Did you make sure me and Shalanda had 50-50?
I tried my best. That's tough. I tried my best, but we got all the big interviews. And guess what's the best part? It's there on the website. You can download it. You can mail it to yourself. You can mail it to your clients. You can mail it to anyone in the world. So now you don't have to go hunting all over the place. It's all up here. And whatever gets captured in the coming months, years, days, it's all going to get added to this book. So that's one
amazing stuff, Sangeeta. Thank you so much. And I tell you what, this is truly amazing. It's gone. But it is there on the website, so go out there, download this information, read it, refer to it. I'm sure most of it will really make you proud.